Tim Albright with AVNation and Infocomm 2018 with Peter Chen from Lighthouse. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You guys have been showing some cool stuff this week, but before we get into that, explain to folks, if they're not familiar with Lighthouse, kind of, the last few years of you guys has kind of come to being.
Okay, Lighthouse has been in the industry for more than 20 years. So we are one of the very first LED manufacturers from Asia. Okay. In the past few years, we actually sell through our channel partners, okay, particularly Panasonic. So we've been selling through Panasonic in major venues, Times Square projects, and all sorts of commercial locations.
So have you been OEM to Panasonic, or Panasonic just taking the Lighthouse brand?
Panasonic is taking the Lighthouse brand.
Okay, very good. You're showing a couple of direct-to-view LEDs. One is a quantum fine pitch.
Right.
What is that, and what's the fine pitch?
Well, fine pitch is almost a trend in the industry right now. Everybody is showing some sort of fine pitch product. Lighthouse is unique because right now Lighthouse owns our own R&D. It's not just about packing LED in a very fine, closed distance. It's about the power of driving, the 4K or the 8K that you need on a screen. So the processing platform actually is unique. 1.5 is a common standard in the industry right now. So we are very proud to have our own little R&D team, very focused on projecting the true image and true color on our screen. There are particularly two technologies that we built into this system. Okay. One is called chromatic modular technology. Okay. So basically, it's a constant calibration technology that will make sure the screen is always uniform. Okay. The other one is
across all the panels.
Across all the panels. Okay. So at the same time, there's also a peak luminance enhancement. So PLE actually does is what HDR is doing, but we actually add a little bit more juice to it, so you can see a much better contrast on the screen.
Oh, interesting. You said fine pitch, and you mentioned 1.5. Is 1.5 pitch, is that the?
Well, we have 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5.
Okay. All right, very good. And again, if somebody doesn't know what the pitch is, that's the distance between each LED.
Correct.
Measured typically in millimeters.
Exactly.
All right. You have another one called a dynamic LED. What is a dynamic about
I think people have a perception. Every time when you have an LED screen, in different applications, sometimes you have to do a lot of work. Dynamic series is actually a plug-and-play LED screen. It's a one piece.
Explain the plug-and-play part.
Well, basically, we ship in one piece. Okay. There's no constructions.
Oh.
So basically, you buy it just like a TV.
Oh.
You can actually open the box, hang it to the wall, plug it in, and voila, there's your screen.
Since you referenced a TV, what are the sizes then?
Well, there's 89-inch and 118-inch.
Good night. So an 89-inch LED. Or a 118-inch LED.
Exactly. And 118-inch because if you look at all the LCD today, if you're over 100 inches, it's very hard for you to get into the elevator. Yeah. So our 118-inch actually break into 3 pieces.
That's actually quite brilliant.
So you can actually move in and out fairly easily.
All right, very good. If somebody is not here at the show or hasn't been at the show and they want to connect with you or somebody at Lighthouse, how do they do that?
Well, they can check on our website, www.lighthouse-tech.com, or go across all the social media. We're all there.
All right, very good. Peter Chen from Lighthouse. My name is Tim Albright. For more information about us or more videos from Infocomm 2018, go by the website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.